In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install eCart Web. eCart Web is a e-commerce store website with Laravel. So use our affiliate link in description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. So from my file manager, I go to my subdomain I want to use. This is the subdomain I want to use that I've created, and I have already uploaded the script. Here is it. Then next I'm going to click on it to extract files. Then I close this. After extracting, I open it. I'm in this folder, select all, then move to the root folder. Move files. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in description to buy me a coffee. Then next I click on up one level. After that, after uploading the scripts, next I go back to my cPanel to create the database. So databases, I come to manage my databases. So here I'm going to create my database. Let me name my database as this. Create database. So the database has been created successfully. I click on go back. After creating the database, what next for me is to create the user. Let me name my user as this. Okay. Then I click on create user. Now I've created my database, I've created my user. What next for me is to add my user to my database. So it has already selected this for me, so let me select this. Yeah, then I click on add. I give her privileges, then scroll down to make changes. Now I come back to my file manager. Yeah, this is my script. Then I go to includes. Yeah, I open it. Edit, because I'm going to edit something there. So yeah, my local host, DB host is local host. Okay. DB user. Set it here. So that's the user. DB name. That's the name. So remains my domain name, domain URL. Let me see. Okay, up one level. Okay, let me open a new tab, paste it there, enter. Okay, I'm not done yet. Paste the URL. After pasting the URL, yes, I am done now. I click on save changes. Then next I go back to my cPanel. Let me go to my cPanel. I go to my PHP, my admin. That's, yes, PHP my admin. I click on it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I click on the database I created for it. Here is it. Then I click on import, choose file. Then I select it. Here's my SQL. I click on open. After selecting my SQL, I click on import. So the database has been installed successfully or uploaded successfully. So next I click on /install, enter. So my database name, localhost, username, here is it. Database name, okay. Admin username, let me say admin. So here let me say admin as example.com. Okay, here is it. Then next I click on install. Okay, congrats, installation is successful. Please wait redirecting you to the main page. Okay, here now I'm just going to sign up or sign in because I've already signed up when I installed. I'm just going to sign in, then I'm done. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in description to buy me a coffee. Don't forget to use the hire me link in description to hire me to help you install the script. Thank you.